Alright, we're gonna race some new cars, new for 2024. I think all of these are new for 2024. Let's double check, except for that one maybe. But he looked cool, so I got it anyway. Oh, okay, so up first, let's see, we've got Flippin' Fast. Flippin' Fast can be flipped over, it looks like. And he's got really big wheels. I've heard good things about Flippin' Fast. Up next, we've got Driftin' Brake. Driftin' Brake. Yeah, we're gonna race him in a second, hold on. Up next, we got Punk Rod. New for 2024. This one's cool. I bet he's slow, but Tankinator. Tankinator. Up next, we got Terratractyl. Tractyl. Like. And then we got the Corvette Stingray that we're throwing in because he looked new. Newer, at least. I haven't seen that one. So we're gonna race these 6 and see which one is the fastest.
He has like a gun.
Yeah, because he's a tank. Rip him open and let's race him.
Yeah.
This is a rip and race. That's what they call it.
Cool. Look at this.
It's cool, huh?
Look at it.
Yeah, it rotates.
Okay, this guy versus Flippin' Fast.
Flippin' Fast. Okay, you don't want to race all 6 of them? Or you just want to do a couple at a time?
No, I want to race all 6 of them.
All right. We'll come back when we got these all open. What do you think of him? He can flip upside down and race. Does the little guy's head come out? Yeah. Push his little head up. Yeah, there you go. Like that. You can flip him upside down and race him the other way too.
Okay.
That's cool, huh?
Here's Tankinator.
Tankinator in lane 2. Oh, you're trying to make him win. Alright, who's up next? Ooh, the Stingray Corvette. Alright. Let's race him. I bet he wins. What was that one's name? You can take him out. Go ahead. Oh, we ripped off the name. What was his name? Driftin' something? Driftin' Brake. Alright, Driftin' Brake's in lane 3. The Corvettes in lane 4. Alright, we got 2 more. Where are they? Did we lose him? Oh, there he is. Terratractyl. Where are you going to put him? In lane 5?
Oh, one more.
One more, yep. What was his name real quick? Punk Rod, that's right. Punk Rod.
Wow, his name's really expensive.
Alright, where are they all going?
That guy's got
Terratractyl in lane 6. Punk Rod in lane 5. On your mark, get set, go! Oh! Driftin' Brake, that's what I saw. Driftin' Brake's the winner out of the 2024 cars. Let's race them again and see which one comes out. Step the lanes, on your mark, get set, go! Oh, it was him again. Him again. Yep. Yes, Driftin' Brake again is your winner. Driftin' Brake. Yeah, we're gonna race this one too. So up next we've got, so I had to pick up this Night Burnerz set. They look like some cool cars. It looks like it's got a Camaro in there. It's got a Nissan, it's got a Mustang. Yeah, let's race these and see what happens, huh?
Okay.
Mustang with Nissan. What is that one? I can't tell if that's like a Ford or a... Let's see.
Okay, let's do it. Let's race them.
It shows their names on here somewhere. Oh, there we go. It's a 67 Shelby GT500 Nissan 300ZX twin turbo, a Megane Trophy. I guess that's a made-up one in there. 2018 Copo Camaro SS and a Gazelle R. All right. There are the cars in the new pack. All right, let's do it.
Yeah, let's open it.
All right, you can pull the tray out. There you go. Ooh, who do you think's gonna win out of that group?
I don't know. Let's see.
I'm going for the Camaro naturally. All right, up first in lane 1, we got the 67 Camaro. Mustang. Cool. Mustang. We got the Nissan 300ZX, lane 2. We already have one of those. It's kind of silly, I bought another one. Guess we might have to have a race off between those Nissans. We have 2 of those. Now we have 3. Oh, we got the Camaro in lane 4. And oh, that made-up car in lane 5.
I'm gonna get one more up.
You wanna grab one more? All right, we're gonna put Flippin' Fast in lane 6 just for good measure. On your mark, get set, go! Oh! I think that was this guy. This was Megane Trophy. I can't tell what kind, like what brand this is. If it's like a Toyota or maybe it's just all made up. I don't know. Looks like a rally car though. He was the fastest. Does he have a... Nothing special about him. Maybe the wheels are pretty decent overall. Okay. You want to race them? Pit the 2 winners against each other in the last race. Whoa! Drifting. Drifting Break was easily the fastest on that one. Let's try it again. But let's put them in like matching lanes, so 1 versus 6. Let's see how they do. On your mark, get set, go! Go! Oh, Drifting Break. Drifting Break again. He can't be beat out of the new group. Drifting Break. 2 Nissan 300ZX. We're gonna do the new. We've got this one's pretty new. We've got him recently, and then we're gonna put him against the one we just got. And they have the same model car. So, on your mark, get set, go! Oh, the orange one out the gate. Out the gate. All the way to the end. Orange one wins. Tune, we're gonna do these monster trucks soon. We've had these sitting on the shelf for a while. And we haven't gotten around to racing them yet. So yeah, we're gonna do those soon. For fun, we're gonna do a real car race here. Up first, we've got the black Nissan 300ZX. Even though he wasn't the winner in our recent race. We're gonna do the 2019 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 convertible. Up next, we're gonna do the 1990 Acura NSX. Up next, we're gonna do the 67 Mustang GT500, I believe is what it was. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't go too soon. We got the Copo Camaro, the new one we just got. 2018 Copo Camaro. And lastly, we got another Corvette we're gonna throw in, which was the Stingray. I forgot what year this one was. 70s or 80s. All right, on your mark, get set, go! Oh, this is the Acura. Acura NSX all the way. Oh, Acura NSX was your winner all the way. That one was quick.